你的头。Okay, Hubsan Zeno Mini SC is ready. Let's take off. So my apron is right here, and I'm just gonna go somewhere, and then it will try to search for it. Now it got it. Now it got it. A little deviation. So let's try again. And not precise. Okay. So I'm gonna switch the place and change the color as well and see how it goes. Let me just double check. Search parking apron feature is open. There is my drone apron. I can see it. And now turns around, starts landing. Come on, search for it. Uh-oh, missed it. Miss it. Hey. Oh. 你的头。你的头。It found his head.
他说的，你说他说的捞也顶捞的，你要数的那个东西呢？
对，为什么长了你的头？你的头下面有吗？
哎，属于那个头是 A 型的。我们那个可以让它放底。
哎 ，that was a biggest win.
别那么拉。
Okay, all right, let's try again.